To carve a cooked turkey, let it rest for 30 minutes on a cutting board after it comes out of the oven. Face the cavity towards you and cut from where the breast connects to the drumstick. Sever the joint by pulling the drumstick back until it pops. Slice down to remove the leg and thigh. Repeat the previous steps on the other side of the turkey. Then make a long cut from the neck to the cavity. Keeping the blade on the right side of the breastbone, slice through the breast meat and pull it outward as the knife slices down. Pull the wing to the side until you hear the joint pop and slice through the joint. Place the thigh in the drumstick with the skin side down. Slice through the joint to separate the pieces. Slice the thigh meat by removing the bone and cutting it into even slices. Repeat on the second thigh and drumstick. Slice the breast meat into 1/4-inch slices with the skin side up. Repeat on the second breast. Arrange a platter with 2 drumsticks, 2 wings, sliced thigh meat, and sliced breast meat.